Welcome to Lincoln Land Community College's online orientation. At Lincoln Land Community College, we've designed this orientation so that your plans to achieve your academic goals and the different things that you're here for will be a plan to succeed. We've noticed that there's several different things that you need to do to begin your semester. And one of the things that we really believe in is that you need to go see your professors at the beginning of the semester. The other thing is that you need to know what you want to do before you get here. This will ensure that when you're meeting with an academic advisor, that you'll be able to share with them your goals. The other thing is to have a goal, to know what it is that you want to accomplish. And we'll be talking about how we can help you achieve those goals. And to start with advising. These are some of the things that our students have shared in focus groups that are really, really beneficial. Make sure you're familiar with everything offered here. This is really critical because if you're not familiar with what your options are, then you won't be as empowered to choose a viable option. Visit advising often. This is another thing that a student has said, a current student, that you need to check in and make sure you're on track. Go to the advising center. Why we're hammering so much on advising is because we really believe it's critical to your success to stay on track. Don't take classes on your own. Make sure when you're taking a class that you get to know the people around you. Ask questions, lots of questions. There's so many people that are willing to help you, especially your faculty members, the people who are your instructors, your professors. They want to help you. And know what you want to do. It's very important that you identify what it is that you want to do while you're here. Take the right classes. Again, when you start with advising, when you talk to your professors often, when you know what your goals are, it'll help you kind of achieve that goal of taking the right classes. Go to orientation so you know you don't have to do everything on your own. There are so many resources. There's not any reason you should be doing things on your own. No matter what you have to do, get into something that you can make a connection with. Join a club, go to an event, something. Bring siblings and children and young adults here and show them around so they know where things are. It's really important you become engaged on campus so that you can be more invested in your education. Don't follow advising blindly. Know your own plan too. So while we're telling you go to advising, it is your responsibility to know what your own program is as well. The special needs office is very helpful. Don't skip class. One of the biggest predictors of whether you'll succeed or not, whether you'll remain until the achievement of your goals or not, is if you attend class. File financial aid early. It's really critical that if you're expecting financial aid that you initiate the process early. See your professors early and talk to them. Once again, please identify professors, know their name, and go see them before there's a problem. Find your classes before the first day. Make sure you go around and look for where your classes are, how long it's going to take there, what the parking situation is. Do everything as early as possible. This will be really essential for you. Because the earlier you get a head start on things, the better. When missing a class, notify early, depending on the situation. Once again, one of the things that you need to do to be successful. Use your email. Communicate with your professors early and remind them. Constant contact with your teachers is key. This is something that we've heard from students, and that is that if you're going to do well in a class, you need to know the expectations, and getting connected with your instructor is essential, as well as reading your syllabus or learning the hard way is kind of two of the options you have. So I want you to think first about what you're most looking forward to about going to college and what you're least looking forward to about going to college, and take a moment to write these two things down.